Endangered species and habitat. Many species in the Amazon rainforest are endangered. Endangered is a term for an animal that could become extinct. In the near future, an animal becomes extinct when there are no longer any of its kind alive. These are some of the Amazonian animals that are endangered: black spider monkey, golden lion Tamarinian monkey, great green macaw, and Amazonian glass frog. Many other animals, including both predators and prey, are on the verge of being endangered. They are considered near threatened or vulnerable. Some of these include harpy eagle, jaguar, maned wolf, and lowland tapir.